How to delete all your Google account history in one click. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google, click on your profile located at top right corner of your screen, which is beside dots. Simply click on it and click on Manage your Google account. After that, click on Data and Privacy located at the left side. In Data and Privacy, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find History Settings. Click on Web and App Activity, which is the first option. After you click on Web and App Activity, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in here. Click on View All. After you click on View All and See and Delete Activity, you'll find all your activity in here. As you can see, you can simply delete one by one by clicking at the cross, or simply click on Delete at the top, which is below three dots. Click on Delete. After you click on Delete, you can simply delete web and app activity from last hour, last day, all time, or also you can choose custom range. You can also auto delete. To auto delete, click on Auto Delete and you will find all these months. It will simply auto delete after that month. You can also choose Don't Auto Delete Activity. After you have chose the one, simply click on Next at the bottom right. And this is how to delete all your Google account history in one click. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.